Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to delete uploaded files in your Canva account. So when you've been using Canva for a while, you might have uploaded quite a few different images and videos and things like that. If you want to clear them all up, what you need to do is click on the left-hand side on your Uploads tab. And from there, you have the option to click on images, videos, audio. So you can click on each one and start to delete any files you no longer want. So all you need to do to delete them is hover over the image, click on the check box, and you can check multiple images at a time, go through and check the ones that you want to delete. When you've ticked the ones you want to delete, just click on the little trash icon to move them to trash. And click on move to trash again and they will be deleted. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.